Jai Hind. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to a new video. I'm Dr. Jay Savla, first year internal medicine resident at Safdarjung Hospital, New Delhi. So a lot of people are joining MBBS with finally the commencement of counseling in both. A lot of people are joining both MBBS as well as their PG branch, and a lot of people are going to appear for your exams and get promoted to a new year. So basically, I thought this is a good time to make this video because no matter what, no matter whatever you want to do, after you take biology in 11th and 12th and then pursue medicine as your profession, you have to learn and remember a lot of things, a lot of things. No matter whatever branch you take, you have to remember a lot of things. There is no escaping that fact that you need a very good memory. But so I'm here to share with you the strategy which I have used in so many years successfully, which I am very indebted to. Like, this was told to be by my professor in 11th standard, and since then I have been very, like, I have my life has become quite easier because of that, and I'm really grateful for him that he taught me this strategy, and I also attribute a lot of my success afterwards to him. So I will start. First of all, the myths as usual. It is a myth that one has a strong memory and someone else has a weak memory. Memory is something that we all can be work on. We all can make stronger. Like, just like how we train our body in the gym. If you continuously daily train your mind and your memory, it will become stronger and stronger. Over the years, even I myself would not have imagined being in 11th or 12th that someday I will be remembering so many things, and not with that a lot of effort. It becomes easier. Okay. And the second part is I have seen a lot of young students. Even I myself, at some point of my time, was contemplating that कि just MLE app lab देते because NEET PG or the Indian curriculum has a lot of, especially for PG entrance exam, has a lot of rote learning. Now, obviously, with the next coming in, that format is going to change. And over the years, NEET PG also has become more of clinical questions rather than just pure rote learning. But even if you are going to appear for USMLE or lab, don't think that you don't have to rote learn. Even in that, for USMLE step 1 or step 2, you have to learn the entire first aid. There is no escaping that, the fact that you have to remember a lot of theory. Only then you can apply it in clinical questions. So now I will start with the method. Basically, the first step whenever you start a new topic, new chapter, new subject, whatever, you should have a little bit of interest in your mind. You should be happy reading it. Like, there are a few subjects obviously no one likes, but then also you should have at least some kind of excitement before you start the subject. Then it will not seem like a big task, and even if you spend 3 4 hours, you won't feel कि अरे यार पूरा दिन निकल गया वैसे. Okay, so just read it out of interest like a novel in your first reading, just to gain a good background understanding, good conceptual knowledge, nothing else. Don't try to remember just after your first reading. Okay, then, especially when you are reading big subjects, when you are reading standard textbooks like Robbins, your Harrison, or surgery for or Bailey for surgery, or even in fact if you're reading Guyton or Ganong, you should uh, try to make notes because these textbooks have a lot of like, they are, first of all, they are quite huge, and they have a lot of interrelated and complex topics. So if you don't make your own notes, the next time when you read, it will become very, you will be slow, and you will not, yeah, then that feeling comes in कि यार एग्जाम में तो ये पढ़ ही नहीं सकते, मतलब एग्जाम में कैसे इससे कैसे आंसर सीखेंगे and all that, and then you avoid reading those textbooks. So don't do that. Just try making your own notes, at least for the important topics and the important chapters. So after you are done with your first reading, in the step to make these notes, and this habit also helped me in my final medicine exams, like when you were where everyone was switching to Bulur or Matthews for just answer writing, and then you waste 2 3 months basically because you are just preparing for that particular exam. But since I had made my notes in the final year and I had joined some classes, so out of all these notes, I used to combine them, and I, till the end, I never used Bulur or Matthews. I just used Harrison and my notes, even for the university exams. And then finally, after you are done making with your notes, step three in the same setting. All these three steps should occur in the same setting, like in the single session. You should just have a mental visualization of whatever you have written, whatever concepts you have learned, and whatever new things you have to remember. Like for half an hour, however fast you can do. And after you are done with this, I am sure you will be able to remember whatever you have done for 15 to 30 days. And if after that you revise it like one, two, three times again, say in the interval of one month, then I'm pretty sure you will remember it for a very long time, maybe 6 months, 1 year, and sometimes it becomes a permanent memory. So this is the way to convert your short-term memory into permanent memory. Uh, Obviously, it requires a lot of hard work. There are no shortcuts to success, and this is it. Do like, share, and subscribe the video if you find it useful. Uh, Obviously, if you have a good memory, you will become a good doctor because it helps a lot. Thank you. I have a duty, so I am quickly shooting this video. Goodbye. All the best. Do well. Study well. Bye.